Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Instagram account. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app. In the login page, tap on the Create New Account option. Next, you will need to provide your contact information. In the provided field, enter your phone number. If you prefer to sign up using your email instead, tap on Sign up with email option and then enter your email address. After entering your contact information, tap on the Next button. Instagram will now send you a confirmation code. Check your email or text messages for the confirmation code. Once you receive it, enter the code in the app and tap on Next to continue. Now it's time to create a password for your new Instagram account. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. After typing it in, tap on Next. You will now see a date slider at the bottom of the screen. Use this to adjust your date of birth, then tap on the Next button. In the next step, you will be asked to enter your full name. Type in your full name. Now, create a username for your account. Finally, agree the terms of Instagram and your Instagram account will be created. And this is how you can create a new Instagram account. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.